I'm Tom, and today we're diving into how to talk about where you're from and how to ask others the same. This is a super useful skill for those first conversations with new people. Let's jump right in. All right, so let's start with the basics. To say where you're from, you can use this simple phrase, I'm from, and then name the place you are from. For example, I'm from Japan, or I'm from Brazil. Easy, right? Why don't you give it a try? Go ahead, say it with me. I'm from Brazil. Repeat that a few times to feel comfortable. Now, if you want to ask someone where they're from, the phrase is, where are you from? Simple and polite. Try asking it with me now. Where are you from? You can even change it up a bit. If you meet someone from a city or a region, you might ask, are you from, and the name of the city? It's a nice way to get specific if you're talking with a local. All right, let's put it all together. Repeat after me. I'm from Brazil. Where are you from? Great job. These are phrases you'll use all the time. That's it for today's lesson. Thanks for joining me here at Speakeasy Academy. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing with friends or even in front of the mirror. Hit that like and subscribe button if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep speaking easy.